Hi everyone, it's Kim with Memories Cast Love. Remember, if you like what you see, hit the subscribe button below, and after I have 100 subscribers, I will have a Dollar Tree giveaway. So I will be having a party in June. I went ahead and picked up some things for like my next summer party. It's not really going to be my beachy party, but it is going to be a summer party. So I just picked up some decorations and that to use around the house. So I picked up, if I can get it unhooked, I picked up they call this the plant hanger, and it's just a big hook. I picked up 5 of them because I'm going to use them with this trellis, and that, I'm not sure if you can see it. So I bought 4 trellises, so I'm just going to go hook, trellis, hook, trellis, hook, trellis, hook. And then I'll decorate them. So for Easter, and then I'll have them out for over summertime also. So I also picked up some planters. Oh, I just love this. This is a beautiful teal color. And I believe it has the cover on, it looks like it has the cover, so you won't have to put this is the water dish that you can put under here, but I just noticed that this one actually has like the dish there so that the water won't come out. But I still have, this comes in a 6-pack. So I can use them for something else. I also picked up this nice tan khaki color. And again, it has the water dish because you can actually fill it from the outside if you wanted to not fill the inside. Then I picked up a couple of the little tins, the flowers and garden. That's what's inside. So I'll just make a decoration. I'm not sure yet what I'm using these for. And I saw this planner trolley. This is what it looks like. And then it actually has wheels on it. So I do have a bigger plant, so I thought about putting it in here. And that way it can move around easier. Then for my party, I was going to plant some flowers and have them as a party favor to take home. So I bought one of these tins. It's Fleurs and Jardin and that. And then I bought this 3-pack of clay pots, and they're pretty small. It doesn't say the size on here, but I'd say no more than 3 inches maybe. And I also bought some of the seed starting potting mix here, but when you read the directions, it doesn't say anything about seeds. It talks about bulbs and cuttings and plants. So I might have to get my own potting mix to start the seeds in because I'll be filling these up for everyone. And I went ahead and bought the seeds from Dollar Tree. So these are called, these were 3 for $1. These ones are Sweet William. Then I got some zinnia, Snapdragon, love those, petunias, forget-me-nots, these look pretty, Cleome, never heard of that one, but it looks pretty. These are cute. Bachelor button and some alyssum. Probably butchering some of the names. So I'll plant these into the clay pots because I bought quite a few of them. And then I bought these plant labels so that way I can stick them in the pots and have the name on them. And then on the back, I could have who picks what, so that way when they go to leave, they have their own plant. So since I'm doing that, I went ahead and picked up a pair of the garden gloves. And these are not the latex ones. These are like a fabric. I try and stay away from latex. And then I also found some cute stencil sheets. So this one is of butterflies. And then I found these cute birds. So I'm gonna stencil the pots with these and just paint them up to make them look cute. So again, those are going to be party favors to take home. Then I found this cute pinwheel. Whoops, it's stuck in there. They just call it a pinwheel, so ages 3+. And so these ones I'll stick out with the trellises and that as a decoration. I also found these cute garden flags. This one says welcome, and it has a hummingbird on it. Love hummingbirds. And this one says welcome, and it has the flamingo. So I believe this one I'll save and put at my beach party. And then this one I will put out at my summer party, the hummingbird. I also got a couple of the plant hangers for outside. This is what they look like. And they just latch on to a plant that you already have. I also picked up a couple of the metal garden hooks. I thought I needed them for these other hanging things I got, but they actually don't need them. So I'm going to try and figure out another use for them. And these are the hanger. Does it say? It just says wind chime. I don't really think it's a wind chime. It doesn't really make much noise. But this one, oops, hope if you could see it, is a cute butterfly pattern. Beautiful colors. And it already has a hook on it. So I do not need the longer hooks. So I got a couple of those. And then I also thought this was, as you can tell, I love my teal colors. This says a wind chime too. It actually sounds like a wind chime in a way. But it doesn't have a hook, but it's got, it'll still be able to hang on that hook. So just a pretty color. I also bought a bamboo wind chime. I just thought it looked pretty. So I'll hang that on one of the hooks. And I just like this because of the saying. It says, look for angels in your life. They are everywhere. So I got one for myself, and then I got one for my grandma. So I doubt I put it outside. I probably just keep it inside so it doesn't get ruined. Then I had to pick up some of the gnomes, which I've seen in some of the hauls already. But I finally found some. And there's one with a red hat, one with a blue hat, and one with a greenish hat. So you kind of have to watch because their faces are painted a little strange on some of them. So when you go to pick them up, just make sure it looks good. But they are very heavy. So, and I don't know, I think I won't put them outside either. They're just too cute to ruin in one season. And then for my fairy garden, I got a couple of these glass ceramic mushrooms. This one is a green with like some blues. And this one is a red with I want to say brown or peach color. But so I just got a couple of them to try. And then who doesn't love these little houses that they have? So this is the first one that I picked up. And this is the back. So just more detailed on the front. Then I have this one here. I believe those are sunflowers there by the door. And on the back, not anything. Cute little windows and whatnot. Then look how cute this one is. I like the bright oranges on it. And the mushrooms though. And here's a cute flower. And again, back, nothing. And then I picked up one more. I know there was a few more, but these are the ones that caught my eye. I didn't want to spend too much money on just the houses, even though they are cute. So I'll probably put these out for the summer party. Now I went ahead and picked up some of the little figurines. This one is the deer, the bunny, and the blue jay. And that, I thought those looked really realistic. So those will go in my little fairy gardens. Then here's another bunny. It's not so great looking. Then you have an owl that looks a little freaky, but I like the little hedgehog. I think he's a hedgehog. So that's why I picked that one up. Don't know yet if I'll use these two. The owl's kind of cute, just comical cute. Then this one, here's a different owl. I liked him better. And then a turtle and a frog. Turn it a little bit. Frog and the turtle. Trying to turn so you can see the turtle's head. Not very good. But just, or I can even just use them around the house. I mean, just as knickknacks. Then I like this cute chair and table that's kind of like vines or leafy like. And then this was cute again. Love mushrooms. Used to go mushroom hunting at my aunt's house all the time. So it just reminded me of that. It's also got a mailbox and a sign. And the sign does say welcome. So there. And then, oh. And then this had the watering can, a little bike, and a shovel. I just thought those looked cute too. So I'll use them around the house too. Okay, then to go with those, I did find some of the little accessories. So this is welcome. That must be the thing. It's all welcome. But it's got just a little or not a trellis. Is it called a trellis? Archway and that. So I just thought that was really cute. And then here's a little walkway. This reminds me of like a Japanese type style walkway. On the back it's no flowers, but still in good condition there. I love the clothesline. I had hung up our clothes all the time as the kids were growing up on clotheslines. I loved being outside, the smell of the fresh clothes. So I need to get a clothesline at this new place. And then the wishing well, wishes 10 cents. That's what it looks like. Super cute. And then I thought this looked like a shoe. It's supposed to be a slide. So, and it almost looks like a heart up here at the top. So I'll use that in the fairy gardens too. And we're about done. Let's see here. I got one of the copper wire LED lights. This one is the gold. It says it has 12 lights. So I'll use that around. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to use it for, but it's nice to have. And then I picked up some of the Spanish moss. It just has 125 cubic inches. So I just use that in the fairy gardens. And this is kind of like what I used in my display for the end of the rainbow for one of my games in another video. And that you could use this as the bottom of it if you didn't have the sheets, this moss sheets. You could just put some of this on the bottom. So check out, oh, I'm getting it all over myself, but check out that video. And then I couldn't pass up the cute little figurines that you put on your flower pots. Here's the turtle. And I got the frog too. Those were the only two that I thought were the cutest. The frog. And that's the hook. And then the last two things I got, the little frog solar guy. see if I can turn him on. Let me see here. Nope, he's been out of the sunlight too long. Is he on over there? Yeah, he's been out of the sunlight too long. So I had him in a drawer just for the time being. Let's see. Oh, there, this guy shines. And this one is the squirrel. Just thought he's cute. I don't know if you can see that, but his eyes are lighting up. So turn him back off. It does have an on and off switch above the solar panel. So that way you don't have to have it constantly on. You can put it outside. I thought about putting them in a window. That way they still get the light and then they'll shine. Might freak out the neighbors, but oh well. So, well, thanks for watching. That's it for this Dollar Tree spring summer haul. If you like what you see, comment in the section below, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching, and remember to make some loving memories today.